Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up MACD on MT5 Mobile. If you want to add the MACD indicator to your chart in the MT5 Mobile app, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and how to apply it. MACD, which stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular technical indicator used by traders to help spot momentum and potential trend changes. In this video, we'll focus on getting it set up quickly and correctly inside the app. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options appear properly. This helps make sure you can move smoothly through the next steps without any delays. Next, tap on Chart at the bottom left of the screen. This takes you to the Chart view, which is where indicators like MACD can be added. If you're currently on another tab, such as Quotes or Trade, switching to the Chart section is important because indicator settings are managed directly from the Chart screen. Now look toward the top left area of the screen for the indicator icon. This is the menu you'll use to manage any indicators already on the chart, as well as add new ones. Depending on your device size, the icon may appear small, so take a second to locate it carefully. Once you find it, tap on Indicator. This opens the indicator panel for the current chart. If you've never added an indicator before, the panel may look empty, and that's completely normal. From here, tap on the F+ icon at the top right. This button is used to add a new indicator to the chart. It opens the full list of available indicators in MT5 Mobile, including trend, oscillator, and volume-based tools. After that, scroll down through the list and look for MACD. The list may contain several indicators, so move steadily until you find the exact MACD entry. Taking your time here can help avoid selecting the wrong tool, especially if you're new to the app. When you see MACD, tap on it. This adds the indicator and opens its setup area so it can be applied to your chart. At that point, MACD is selected and ready to use within MT5 Mobile. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the MACD indicator and started the setup process on MT5 Mobile. Thanks for watching, and we hope this made the process simple and clear.